Hey guys, it's Carter, and today we are looking at the oil futures chart trading at $59.61. Today I'm going to show you my 2025 outlook on this chart. The last time I covered it was 6 months ago. We were at around $72, and I was calling for around $40 on this chart in 2025. I want to show you if that is still my outlook here. I want to show you what I'm expecting in the weeks and months to come. Let's dive right into the action. All right into the action here. You can see that we've broken down from this critical support level at around $65 to $67. I was talking about around 6 months ago when we were trading at $72. I think we were right here on this chart. I said as long as we didn't head above $75 and make an impulsive move above 75 on a sustained break, that we were looking bearish on this chart because of the consistent lower highs we've been making here. And we failed to do that. We got up to around 80 bucks here. This was not a sustained push. We made another lower high in this pattern. We've been making lower highs on oil since 2022, and it has led to an official breakdown here. And now we're seeing an important warning sign trigger. This is a kiss of death warning sign watch that we're looking at right here. So we're on watch alert, strong watch alert here, because this could lead to a big major breakdown. So what do I mean by the kiss of death warning? Well, if we zoom in, we broke below that critical support between $65 and $67, and now we are still below the $65 to $67 level, and it's going to act as critical resistance now. And if we can't get it back above this level in a sustained way, well, guess what? The trend is down. We're going to be making another lower high in this little relief rally here. And then we're probably going to take out this low here at $55 and then head to the downside in the months to come if we can't get back above this $65 to $67 level in a sustained way. And even if we do get back above this $65 to $67 resistance, it needs to push us through this downsloping resistance up here that's been haunting us since 2023. And we need to break this lower high pattern impulsively and then hold this level here, this key support, on a corrective pullback. That's the only way we can once again be bullish on this oil chart until we see a sustained break above the $65 to $67 resistance, then this resistance up here, which will be in the low 70s, and then hold this on a corrective pullback after moving up impulsively. That's the only way we're going to be bullish on this chart. And until we see that, we're bearish. So right now, we're bearish. And right now, what is likely is a kiss of death. So this is likely going to turn into a kiss of death signal. We're actually on watch right now. What do I mean by watch? Because I think we do have the potential in the weeks ahead to push higher. So this would be a short-term move higher into this resistance between $65 and $67, and even into the low 70s if we wick through that level. But at the moment, I see this as being a likely A, B, C correction that is ultimately going to lead to more downside because we are likely going to reject resistance here, and that this rally is exhibiting ABC structure right now, corrective structure. So since I'm remaining bearish on the chart of oil here, what is going to activate a move down to this target here towards 40, which yes, I'm still targeting? It's going to be a break below this wick down here, $55. If we close below 55 and break down from this actually bullish reversal candle, then we're going to see the next move to the downside. If we can't hold this low right here at around 55, we're going to see more downside. Simple as that. So yes, although I do think oil can see some upside in the handful of weeks to come, I do believe it is going to be taking a dive towards the second half of this year, towards this support level down here. This would be the first level I'd look to be tested, around $40 to $44. This has been critical support in the past, and we could possibly break below this one. If we break below this support down here in the low 40s, well, then we would be looking at possibly even the low 30s, this pivot down here. There's some support as well. So if we did that, you could see how there could be more support in the low 30s as well. So in 2025, I have not changed my opinion. I am looking for the $40 level to be tested and possibly even the low $30 level as well later in this year. However, if we head down to these levels, this would be a level I would be looking at as a buy level because overall, the bigger structure from 2020 looks impulsive to the upside, corrective to the downside. So yes, oil looks incredibly bearish right now for the rest of the year. We are on kiss of death watch right now. If we can't impulsively rally above the resistance levels previously discussed, then we're going to be in big trouble in oil prices towards the end of the year. Look for the mid 60s and the low 70s to act as critical resistance, and the $55 level to be the line in the sand that we have to break to trigger the downside move towards the much lower levels discussed in this video. All right, I hope you found this information helpful, and I hope I didn't repeat myself as much as I think I did. Take care, and see you in the next video.